Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.1 question number 6. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 95, 81 and 75. Find the highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. Range of the marks obtained. Mean marks obtained by the group. Let us find the highest mark. Here you see question number answer of A. One number is find the highest mark and the lowest marks. Here you see in this data you will find the highest mark is 95, right? And the lowest mark is here is 39, right? Therefore you can say that highest marks obtained by the student, highest marks obtained highest marks obtained by the student by the student by the student is equal to 95, right? And lowest marks obtained by the student is equal to, here you see the lowest mark is 39, therefore the lowest marks is 39, right? Is 30 This is 39. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is range of the marks obtained. Range of marks is equal to range of marks is equal to highest marks minus lowest mark. Highest marks minus lowest marks. Right, here you see the highest mark is 95 and the lowest mark is 39. We will subtract this one, it is 95 minus 39. 9, 6, 15, carry 1, 3 and 4, 4, 5. That is 56. Right? Therefore, here we are getting as 56 is equal to 56. Now, what is question number 3? Question number 3 is mean marks obtained by the group. Mean of obtained marks is equal to mean of obtained marks is equal to sum of marks right, sum of marks and how many tests are given? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Sum of the marks and divided by total number of observation, that is total number of students. Sum of the marks by number of students. Right, that is equal to, you have to add all the sum, that is 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56. We have to again write the number from here. That is, we rub this one. We'll write here, right? That is, from here we'll write mean of marks obtained. Some of the marks will be 985, 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95 plus 81 plus 75, and total number of students is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 divided by 10. That means we are getting, if we add all the numbers, what are we getting, you see? You have to add all the numbers, right? If we add all the numbers, you will get 730, right? That is 730, 730 by 10. If you cut this 0, you will get 73. Right? Therefore, our mean marks obtained by the group is 73. Therefore, the mean marks, the mean marks obtained by the group is 73. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.